Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-9 Classic, stock reference number 5201. The shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2012. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has one large dent, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tailgate garnish, tailgate has one large dent, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.